Hi, beautiful people. It's a beautiful day again. So, today we are making chicken and potato wedges. So, we'll begin using our air fryer. We'll begin by taking out our chicken from the freezer and defrosting it in the microwave for the next 10 minutes in the microwave. Once we have our chicken is defrosted, we'll actually be able to marinate. In this case, we're actually using a tablespoon of paprika to marinate. We're using onion powder, garlic powder, a bit of salt, a bit of oil, and of course a bit of oregano and pepper and salt to taste. So we'll actually be able to use all these particular spices and use in a bit of add soy sauce. We'll keep adding the soy sauce depending on your taste. So we can see the reason why personally I'll actually put them together, that is the potato wedges and the chicken, is for me it's actually a preference. You can decide to take out first the chicken. You can prefer to cook the chicken first, then put in the potato wedges, but personally I prefer to cook them 20 minutes, 20 minutes, right? Then add in the potatoes after 20 minutes. So in this particular case, we'll just keep marinating and keep turning so that then it is well coated in terms of the marinade. And so then the marinade actually allows it is thoroughly the chicken is thoroughly marinated. Then we'll actually let the chicken to marinate for at least 30 minutes or up to an hour in the refrigerator to actually enhance this particular flavor. And then, of course, we'll ensure that each of them is actually well marinated. And then later we'll be able to prepare the potato wedges. Yes, and then we'll preheat our air fryer for around 190 Celsius degrees for 5 minutes. Then we'll put in our chicken first. So in actual sense, the reason why I actually prefer, and like we can see, I'm still I'm just turning so that then we can marinate it very well. The chicken, of course, clearly is very good. And remember, our chicken actually comes from our farm. I don't not only advocate for broiler chicken because I am a farmer, but the truth is, in actual sense, chicken is very versatile in terms of, because it can actually easily adapt to various recipes and even flavors, and making it a versatile ingredient actually in the kitchen. And of course, the fact that it is rich in terms of nutrients, that is vitamins, minerals, especially for the BC, for the energy and metabolism, and of course, which of course clearly supports immune function. So for me, and of course, we cannot forget about the issue of the protein. So for me, in actual sense, and muscle growth, yeah. So for me, chicken, of course, is a dish anytime. And of course, the potatoes, you look at this combination of the potato wedges and the chicken, it is a very nice dish because it is well balanced. Like the potatoes, in terms of the source of vitamin C, B2, potassium, of course, and even the fiber and the carbohydrates, of course, to sustain energy is very important. And even for the feeling and the satisfaction, right? And the reason why I prefer using the air fry is basically because even of the crispy, and of course, it is very easy to use, right? And of course, you're using very minimal energy in terms of the electricity, and you don't even you're using minimal oil. So in actual sense, it is very important for us to be able to do that. So we are going to put now our potatoes into the preheat air fryer. We have preheated at around 190 degrees Celsius for 5-10 minutes. So we'll add in our chicken into the air fryer. Then, of course, what will happen is after that, we'll be able to now mix it together and put it there, right? Then, so we can now go to preparing our potato wedges. So we'll prepare our potato wedges by just chopping them together, then cutting them into wedges. Then of course we'll put in our marinade and then put it into the air fryer. Remember, this is after 20 minutes. We have already to cook the chicken for 20 minutes. Now we are adding in our potato wedges for 20 minutes. Then we let it cook for another 10 to 15 minutes at the same degrees, 190, around 190 degrees Celsius, of the taste of the chicken. So in actual sense, it is okay for you to actually arrange the potato wedges around, and particularly around the cooked chicken, so that of course we can cook and the flavor actually will meld together. All right, then we'll actually shake the basket halfway through the cooking so that you can make sure that even the cooking and the crisping of the potatoes is well done. So in actual sense, you can see the reason why I actually prefer even the air fryer is because of its ease to use, its efficiency, and of course clearly even in terms of the fact that you're using very minimal oil and to enhance the flavor and the health, besides of course this particular dish, making it a great choice anytime for any occasion, right? So, and then the fact that of course even our chicken actually our potatoes are actually brown on the outside and tender in the inside. Of course, it gives it better, very healthier, yet retaining its flavor and in terms of its texture. So, and of course, the fact that you're using, we require very minimal preparation and even cleaning, even of the air fryer and even this particular dish. Of course, it is very important for us to actually note the convenience of the air fryer, and of course, even the even the minimal oil that actually we use in this air fry enhances both the flavor and the health benefits of this particular dish, of course, making it a great choice for any particular occasion compared to its deep fried companions, or the deep fried potatoes, or the chicken. So guys, if you're not subscribed to our channel, please do. We love you guys. So already chicken is ready. Thank you very much. Bye guys. Bye.